Hello, in this video, I'm going to teach you how to plot inequalities on number lines. The number line is a horizontal line having number written on it at intervals to show the values of linear inequalities. You need to understand this, and the numbers written on the line can either be 0, positive, or negative. And for you to accurately express the given value on a number line, you need to understand or to know the linear inequalities symbols. So I'm going to write the inequality symbols on the screen for you to see, and then we can discuss. So the first one is this less than this, which is this, and then we have this greater than, okay. We need to use this, which is this, and then we have greater than or equal to the symbol like this, and then we have the less than or equal to. Let's write it here, or equal to, which is this, okay. For this, the arrowhead is facing left, this, and this is going right. This is greater than or equal to right at the same time, while this is going to be left, less than or equal to. Let's try to differentiate them now. There is a hollow attached to this, which is not going to be shaded because it's just less than. The same thing, the greater symbol, the hollow is not going to be shaded. And then for this one, we are going to shade the hollow. That is this small cycle. Let's adjust this. So this is going to be shaded because it's greater than or equal to this one. The same thing, this one. But take note of the arrowheads where the arrows are facing. Just look at them. And let's take the first example to explain this. For instance, if you have x is, let's say we have x is less than 4. To represent this on a number line, so we're going to draw our number line quickly. So x is less than 4. This, so let's bring it down. X is less than 4, and then we number it now. Quickly, let's number it. So x is less than 4. So let's say we start from 0 to the left is -1. This is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Since x is less than 4, so we're going to start from 4 here. So let's, x is less than 4. So we start from 4, and then we draw this arrow to the left since it is less than. And then we can put this unshaded circle, can attach it to it to show that it is less than. So this is how to represent it. Again, if you have another example, let's consider an example. If we have something like this, x is less than minus 2. Yes, if x is less than minus 2, what do we do here? So we draw the number line again, another number line. X is less than minus 2. So let's represent the line. 0 to the right is positive numbers, and to the left we should have our negative numbers. And this is 1, minus 2, minus 3. Okay, so x is less than minus 2 again. So we're going to start from minus 2. This is minus 2 here. So we draw it to the left again. And then we put this little circle and shaded one to show that it is less than. So mind you, if x is greater than minus 2, it means we're going to, yes, this arrowhead will be pointing forward like this, like we'll be going to the right part, which is less than, so it's going backward, which is the left part. Let's take another example quickly. If we have x is greater than 3 now, yes, to represent this on a number line, draw our number line. So x is greater than. So let's put this on the number line. So again, x is greater than 3. So let's see, we have 0. So this is minus 1, minus 2. And here we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So we can stop at 5. So since x is greater than minus 3, so it means we are going to start from, no, not minus 3, x is greater than positive 3. We are going to start from here. We're going to have something like this. Let's pick our arrow. So it's going to be facing right. So from positive 3, like this. And then we can attach the circle to it, unshaded one like this. Yes. Okay. If x is greater than 3 or equal to 3, then we are going to shade it. So let's take an example to illustrate that quickly. So let's say we have x is greater than 3, right? Or equal to 3. X is greater than 3 or equal to 3. So it's going to be like this. Let's draw the number line. So we're going to have something like this. Let's bring this downward to create space, and then so let's put our number. So 0, this is minus 1, minus 2. So this is going to be 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So x is greater than or equal to 3. X is greater than or equal to 3. So we're going to start from here, from 3. Let's quickly draw the arrow from positive 3, and it's going to be facing right. So it's going this way, like this. But this time around, since it is greater than or equal to, we are going to shade the circle at the end of the arrow. Yes. So this is how to represent it. Something like this. Okay. This. Okay. Right. Another example that we need to quickly consider, let's say we have x is less than, let's just less than or equal to minus 2. So if we have something like this, x is less than or equal to minus 2, it's very simple. We will draw our number line again. So we draw the number line like this. And let's quickly number it. So this is positive to the right, 1, 2, And to the left, we're going to have the negative numbers. So this is 2, not 3. 2 minus 2, and this is going to be minus 3, and this is going to be minus 4. So let's just talk about it's minus 4. And since it's x is less than or equal to minus 2, so I'm going to start from here. But this time around, our arrow is going to face left, yes, to the left hand side. So we're starting from minus 2, it's going to be this way. Yes, do not forget to shade it because it's less than or equal to. So we're going to shade this. So let's attach it to it. So you can basically use a pencil. I'm just trying to make it neat. So you see, so this is how to plot inequalities on number line. I'm sure you have learned something. Thank you for taking your time to watch this video. Please do like it, share it, and if you do have any questions, just write it in the comment box. I'm going to reply to your questions. Goodbye. See you again.